Every second you waste is a chance someone else is using to get ahead. Are you spending your time wisely? He stands in the dim light of dawn, but pulled low over his eyes. The streets around him are quiet, but inside, chaos brews. A few months ago, he had everything: a loving girlfriend, hopeful dreams, and a bright future. Now, she is gone, and the weight of loss presses on his chest. It started like any other day. He kissed her goodbye at the station, promising he would find a way to build a future together. But the job fell through, bills piled up, and with poverty came heartbreak. She moved away to chase her dreams, leaving him behind. Days turned into a relentless cycle of struggle. Empty mornings, missed meals, and silence that echoed like a ghost in his tiny apartment. He scrolled through photos of happier times, feeling powerless. He asked himself, what is the point of my life now? One evening, walking past a familiar bridge where they once carved their initials, he paused. For a moment, the cold water below seemed inviting. But then he remembered her words, he was stronger than he thought. That memory anchored him, reminding him he still had a reason to live. Returning home, he found an old journal he started years ago. On one page, he had written, "Never give up, you have everything you need to find your way." That small message planted a spark of hope in his heart. The next morning, he set a simple goal: get out of bed early. One small step at a time. Over the following days, he added tiny efforts: eating a meal, taking a walk, focusing on one task. Progress was slow, but each effort lifted a small weight off his chest. Weeks turned into months. Persistence and patience became his new companions. Slowly, his life started to change. Work improved. Neighbors and strangers offered help and advice. His energy returned, and so did a faint smile. He was no longer just surviving, he was beginning to live again. One day, he passed the station where it all fell apart. A familiar silhouette appeared. She was there, waiting for a train. Time froze. She noticed the calm and confidence in his eyes. No recriminations. No pleas. Just understanding. He realized his worth was never defined by her presence but by who he had become. He had turned pain into growth, loss into strength. This is his story, but it can be yours too. No matter how deep your pain or how dark your path feels, you can rise again. Embrace your pain as a teacher, not a prison. Take one small step each day: open the curtains, write a line of your dream, or simply get up on time. Believe in yourself, even when it feels impossible. Keep moving forward, even if the steps are tiny. A seed germinates in the dark before it breaks through the soil. Your life can do the same. Look at the sunrise knowing each day is a new chance. Your story is still being written. Take charge of your life, keep going, and believe in better days.